Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. If you spent literally any part of your week wrestling with spreadsheets, you already know how mind-numbingly tedious data visualization can be, right? Well, today we're looking at an absolute game changer of a workflow. We're going to explore how artificial intelligence, specifically Claude AI, can completely automate the entire process of building an Excel dashboard from absolute scratch. Because the absolutely crucial point here is that it now takes exactly one prompt and just one single click to completely bypass hours of tedious spreadsheet work. No way, right? But seriously, we are not talking about some complex, multi-step tutorial where you're manually mapping out dozens of different data fields. Nope. We're talking about a single master prompt fed into an AI and a single click inside your spreadsheet to trigger the whole shebang. Section 1. The Manual Excel Grind. Look, we all know the pain of starting with absolutely raw Excel data. It's just this unformatted wall of text that demands your time and energy. Getting from that blank slate to a professional interactive dashboard, well, it usually devours hours of your day. You gotta format tables, manually create new sheets for pivot tables, drag and drop values, generate charts, and then painstakingly align them all. It is just incredibly time-consuming. Section 2. The Claude AI Solution. So what if you could just outsource all that manual formatting to an AI assistant? Well, to do this, we use Claude AI to write VBA. Now, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It's basically just Excel's built-in automation programming language. And hey, if you're not a programmer, do not panic. The beauty of this whole explainer is that this is entirely approachable even if you can't code a single line. You don't need to know how to write VBA because Claude is going to write every single line of it for you. The whole process actually starts outside of Excel by simply opening Claude AI in Google Chrome, pasting in a master prompt, and hitting enter. Claude goes straight to work. Within seconds, it generates the complete VBA automation code for your entire dashboard. Think of this prompt as a master set of instructions. It tells the AI exactly what columns exist in your raw data and exactly what kind of KPIs and charts you want to see. Section 3. Setting up the magic. So let's see how this actually builds within Excel using just a few simple keyboard shortcuts. Once Claude generates that massive wall of code, the setup is surprisingly straightforward. You just copy the code, press Alt plus F11 to open Excel's native VBA editor, insert a new blank module window, paste the entire block of code right in there, and hit Alt plus F4 to close it. Boom! The intelligence is now officially injected into your spreadsheet. Next up, pressing Alt plus F8 reveals your newly generated macro, which, by the way, is essentially just a saved sequence of automated actions. You'll see it sitting right there, aptly named Build Dashboard. Now, you could just run it directly from here, but let's make this interface as smooth as possible. To make this a truly seamless one-click wonder, you just use Excel's basic shape tools. You literally just insert a simple rectangle shape anywhere on your sheet. Right-click it, select Assign Macro from the drop-down menu, choose your Build Dashboard macro, and click OK. And just like that, you've turned a basic little shape into a super powerful automation button. Section 4. Pushing the button. All right, this is where all that background setup really pays off. You click the button, the VBA starts running live, and here is what happens in real-time speed. First, the code formats the raw data automatically. Then, it jumps to a new sheet to build pivot tables one by one. It generates all your KPI calculations instantly, inserts your charts dynamically, adds interactive slicers, and finally aligns the entire dashboard perfectly. You literally sit there and watch the spreadsheet build itself in seconds. It is wild to see. And the best part? The final output isn't just some static picture. It is completely interactive. Once the VBA is done running, you're left with a professional-grade interface. You can click the slicers, those built-in visual filters, and all the charts and KPI cards update dynamically in real time. It behaves exactly like a dashboard you spent all afternoon painstakingly building by hand. Section 5. Reclaiming your time. So let's look at the transformative impact this has, because this is a fundamental shift in how you allocate your resources at work. What normally takes hours of tedious manual Excel work, formatting cells, dragging pivot fields, aligning charts, checking formulas, now takes just minutes using AI-generated VBA code. You are essentially leveraging Claude AI to do all the heavy mechanical lifting, freeing you up to actually analyze the data rather than just assembling it. Which leaves us with one highly provocative thought to end this explainer. If hours of manual data work now takes just minutes, what are you going to do with the rest of your day?
Think about it. When you eliminate the busy work, you open up space for deep work, strategy, and actual innovation. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly, highly encourage you to test out this AI workflow for yourself.